Guys, today we're going to be learning how to make a bastby. It's going to be pretty tough because it's a big one. Let's go with it. Before that, I want to say hi. How are you? Good? I hope you're having a great day and I hope you like this video. First, put the left leg and then the right leg. Then you go to the next step. Get two large blocks like these, and you could use any color you want. Next, pick like a balance thing, and then we'll get to the next step. Next, two hands, one in the left and one in the right. Here comes it, kind of like a chocolate. Next, put one and another one in the top. Another two rectangles on the top. Now the last thing is the trophy. Because I'll explain why later. Here's the trophy and I'll tell you why. Because my brother made this around September. And it was so amazing. Wow. Now here's the bastby. That's how you make a bastby. Bye guys, I hope you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.